What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I've been seeing a lot of comments on me asking, like, people asking me for tutorials and like stuff like stats and stuff, and like I don't know, like powers and stuff, imagine and other stuff like that. So I probably can make tutorials separately on those, but I feel like I probably will end up making tutorials on those separately. But I feel like me recording myself making just a whole like practice game type thing will help answer all those questions. So I'm just gonna be making this little like free fighting sandbox-esque game right here. This is mainly just to practice my own scripting skills and for me to get better at scripting too. So it's like a little I want to say like a playthrough, but like scripting, so like a script through maybe, I don't know. It's gonna be like basically me working on the game from scratch kinda, and just like y'all watching me work on it and see how I do things, and then maybe like we can learn together, and maybe you guys, if you guys know a better way of doing things, y'all can tell me, that we can all like, you know, work together in some way, shape, or form. And for the people that are also really need to, you can see how I would go about making a game from scratch. So that's basically it. I'm gonna be just working on the game while you guys like see what I do. I'll be explaining some things here and there, but I probably wouldn't be talking much. But yeah, I might make like I'm gonna cut it in parts, so it might be like probably like, I don't know, 5 to 10 parts before I'm done. It's gonna be like not gonna be like a really long game, but just something where people can just load in and just like pick a power, and then they can just use that power to fight other people and just get like I don't know, maybe points and then kills to the leaderboard and stuff like that. But yeah, that's basically it. If you guys enjoyed the video, or if this video helps you in any way, shape, or form, make sure you guys leave a like down below. Make sure you guys leave a like and comment down below. And yep, let's get right into it. Oh yeah, and also my mic might be cutting out because like I'm having some issues with it. So if I cut out like mid-sentence, I apologize for that. You said what? Got the health UI down. Might do some things. You got data manager, right? Gotta add some module scripts maybe. Actually, let me get the whole health UI down before I even get into that. Dude, I have such bad names for UIs. Yeah, decorations. Can I put these in like folders? Maybe I can put these in folders. Miscellaneous. Oh, I can. But G. Alright. Yeah, it's got some right here. Maybe another folder. Call this joint frames. Bop. XP frame. Let me make the XP frame size like 0, 0, 1, 0. Looking nice and crispy. I might keep the cash and then rubies, I guess. I don't even know. Alright, so for health frame, we have the bar, and then we have the stamina frame, which also got the bar. So health frame, bar, and then level stats and stuff. Add a script in the frame right here, or I might just add a script folder that handles stuff that are in frames. I don't know. Alright, this is gonna be called health stamina manager. Good. Get the little jump. Let me get that script header ready. I don't know if this is it, but yeah, it probably is. Okay. Boom. But why doesn't it show me the outline? Okay, output. I said outline. Bruh. Let's name some variables, y'all. Let's name this local status outline. So script dot parent. I don't know. So script dot parent. So script dot parent. Local frames folder equals status outline of frames. Make sure I keep it camel case, right? I don't want the first letter of a variable to be capital. Then we have EXP frame. So we're only gonna be doing health and stamina for this one. I think we'll make a separate script for experience. So yeah, local health frame equals. So we got frame folder. Let me pull up OBS so I can see what's going on. All right. Okay, health frame equals. We got frames folder. Wait for child. Health frame. I like to wait like 12 seconds for each of these. Maybe like 5 seconds actually. Same for this one. Well, actually, I'm gonna just do find first child frames, and then I'm gonna do this because sometimes the script loads earlier before you can actually before the item actually loads. So what this is basically saying is like we're gonna attempt to find the frames folder, and if this is not there, it's gonna go to the second condition, which is right here, and it's gonna look for the it's gonna wait for the frames folder for 5 seconds. So by 5 seconds it usually loads up. So actually no, I'm gonna put like 1 minute, since it's like the second condition or the second attempt. Yep. Same for this one. I'm gonna put this 1 minute right here. Add or space, and then on the other side I'm gonna copy the same thing. Dump that right there. We're gonna do find first child. Delete this. Yeah. So the second parameter for wait for child is just like a wait time. How long you want it to wait. The timeout time you can see right there. Timeout time. Yeah. Yep. All right. So local stamina frame equals frames folder find first child. And you want to do stamina frame really. Or same thing. Copy this right here and then just paste. The only reason I'm copying and pasting is because these guys are in the same. They have the same parent. See health frame right here. Health frames parent is the frames folder, and then stamina frames parent is the frames folder as well. Alright, so I think that's all we need really. We can just get the bar directly instead of making a variable for it. Actually no, we should probably make a variable for it. Yeah, I'm just making a variable. So local health bar, health frame, find first child bar, or really the same thing, right? And then you want to do wait for child though. And same thing, wait like 2 minutes. 2 minutes, right? Same thing with the stamina bar. This we're gonna be using stamina frame, right? Because it's like the same thing really. All right, and then we got the local health num health num display, and they're gonna do that's in the health frame, right? So same thing here. I'm gonna be copying the name, which is just gonna be status, I think. Yeah, status. And then we're gonna copy this, call it stamina, or a stamina num display. Same thing. I want to make sure it's a stamina frame though, right? And status, same thing, right? Yeah. We also got level, but I might just have that as a different script though. All right, so let's type up some functions. So yeah, local on health change function. You can declare functions like this, or you can just do this. Honestly, it's the same. It's not the same thing, but it's the same. Like they work the same. So, but I'm probably do it like this because this is the normal way. I don't know. I have a habit of doing this. I don't know why. It just looks. I don't know. It's whichever one honestly is faster for you. Local function. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 1, 2, 3. I mean, it's really the same. We 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think this is actually quicker. So let me just not do that. All right. So I have a little header. I like to do this. I'm trying to practice leaving comments on my code, so when I come back, I know. All right. Whoa, I did not spell that right. Yo, on health changed, right? Name on health changed. Description. Basically fixes the UI or swings the UI, the bar, up when a player's health changes. It's like a precondition, so player must exist, of course, and humanoid must exist. Post tweens the player's health bar based on their health and max health. Alright, let's start. So we're gonna do we have humanoid defined, right? Should have humanoid. Yep. Alright, so we're gonna do it's gonna call this function after the player takes damage or something, or just when the health change. So player must exist, health must change. Alright. And then we're gonna do what? So we're gonna do local current equals humanoid. Humanoid dot health local max equals humanoid dot max health. Alright, local num equals num display equals math.for, and then do cur divided by max. Yep, should be. This is gonna be like just getting the, I'm just call vars. Yep. I'm gonna do, I think we have constants first, right? I think. Yo, wait time, or just tween time equals 125. Yep. And then yep, I think that's pretty much it. So we're gonna do bar, health bar, tween size, and then we're gonna do the end size, which is gonna be I think doing it as variables is actually more cleaner. So local end size equals udem2 dot new. So we gotta have a percentage, right? So you just do percentage equals cur divided by max, but we're not gonna truncate it this time. We're just gonna have the full, like, the percentage. So it's gonna return, like, would return 0.5, 0.3, what is it, 7 or something like that. And we'd use this to we would use this to scale the x component of the bar's size. Okay, so now we're gonna do end size is gonna be percentage, so perc 0, 1, 0. The y component of the scale for the udem2 is gonna always be 1, because we want it to always fit it. Look, let me show y'all some. Because look, if we take this is the bar right here, right? See how the size for the y is always 1? See, if we were to change this to like 0.5, it's gonna look like that, and that's kind of goofy. We don't want that, unless you want that for, like, I don't know, maybe like some type of stylistic choice. But I'd always keep it a 1. And you can see, like, here, right, like if we change the x component to like 0.5, it's, you know, it gives you like, so it does give you half. But the thing is that my goofy self forgot that I anchor. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna give you half of that, but it's doing this because I forgot that I changed the anchor point. So I would make sure the anchor point is whatchamacallit, 0, 0, and then I'm gonna position it 0, 0 as well. All right, see, now it's gonna look correct. So I'm gonna do the same for the stamina bar. Size, anchor point. All right, so that's gonna be the end size. We're gonna then put that here, and then we're gonna put 0. Remember, we're gonna keep the y component of the scale for the bar always 1. Okay, and then 0. Oh wait, no, we already did that right here. So we're just gonna post end size, my bad, and then we're gonna do the easing direction, enum dot easing direction dot, I'm gonna do, I guess, in and out, enum dot easing style dot quad. We're gonna have the tween time, and then override boolean is true. This here just means that if another tween tries to tween it again, like tries to tween size it again, it will stop the current tween and then play the new tween. So it overrides it. That's what that does. So yeah, like, let me use the variable too. So you just do like tweening. Here we can do like displaying, right? So now we're gonna do we're gonna say health display not the text equals, and we're gonna have math up for current, and then concatenate it with this, and then math up for max. Yep, that. Yep. Now for the events, we should do health or health. Is it health changed? I think that's the function. Connect, and they're going to connect this event. Oh, that's the event. the health changes the event, and they're going to connect the event to this function right here. And let's test it out and see if that works. For this one, we're going to have our health bar always orange, so we're not going to change the color at all. Alright, so I did not spell connect right. Okay, so now we should be straight. Let's see. Go to starter character. Let's have the health. Let's change the health real quick. It's 3. Okay, that's not it. Let's go to our character and change the health real quick. So you do like 4. Yep, nice, and it shows 4. The reason why it's not regenning is because we changed it through the client. If we change it back to 100 and we go to the server side, and look for humanoid, look for our character. Let's change that to like, let's say 4, and then we come back. See, now it's gonna be regenning, and as you can see that it's regenning. So nice, we got our health bar working. Oh, I didn't mean to stand on that. But yeah, we got our health bar working now. So that's good. Yep, let's move on. Oh, we can't move on to the stamina bar yet because we need to we need to actually get the stamina working, but that's gonna be for the next video, and I'll post that video probably today or tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Like I said earlier, leave a like and a comment down below if you have any questions or if you enjoyed or if this helped, and I'm gonna catch you next time.